Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Shanghai Jiaotong University CSC scholarship, Shanghai government scholarship and university scholarship for the year 2022 and 2023. So type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the detail about Chinese government scholarship, applying procedure, required documents and all these things which you want to apply for CSC scholarship. So now click on CSC scholarship admissions category. After that you can see here is Shanghai Jiaotong University CSC scholarship, Shanghai government scholarship and university scholarship. Click on that. So inshallah we will update every university scholarship here regarding CSC scholarship 2022 and 2023. So no, detail here is the detail authorities: Shanghai Jiaotong University Fellowship Scholarship, China Scholarship Council, means CSC Scholarship, Shanghai Government Scholarship SGS, and Shanghai SGATU, Shanghai Jiaotong University CSC Scholarship. So this is for undergraduate, master and PhD students, and this is fully funded scholarship and monthly allowance. You can see for CSC Shanghai Government Scholarship standard for 2,500 for undergraduate, 3,000 for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Okay, just online apply, no need to send hard copies, and the deadline is the application starts from October 2021. No, from the I think 3 days ago the scholarship deadline has been started. So the deadline for this first round is December 15th 2021, and the second round scholarship application deadline is 31st of March 2022. So keep in mind, this is not this is not for March intake, and this is not for September intake. Intake is only one, and this one is September intake, no March intake. Just divide these two rounds. The first one is first one deadline is 15th of December, and the next one is March 31. So this is only for September intake. Both these for September intake. Just they divide into first round and second round. So for self-sponsored students, 31st of May 2022 is the last date, and enrollment date is September 33. No need to send hard copies, just online apply. And then what is the eligibility criteria for international students? All international students can apply. Age limit for undergraduate 25, for master 35, and for PhD 40 years. And IELTS is mandatory in this university. So and degree, TOEFL, and these requirements you can see. And for Pakistani students, NET GAT general 70% for Pakistani master students, and for GAT subject 70% for Pakistani PhD students. Okay, and for if your major is in Chinese, then you must have HSK 5 and HSK 6. English speaking country recognized by Shanghai Jiaotong University International Graduate. Here is these are English recognized countries. So if you are from these countries, you if you don't have IELTS, then it's okay. But how to apply for this scholarship? First you fill Shanghai Jiaotong University online application form. Okay, and need to pay 800 RMB application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. You can pay the fee through online bank transfer and these systems. Okay, click here to fill CSC online application form, and you need to fill university online application form and Shanghai government online application form. But when you fill SGATU Shanghai Jiaotong University online application form, click here to fill. When you fill, then at that time they required to upload CSC form. Click here to fill CSC online application form. How you fill CSC online application form for the year 2021 and 2022? I will make a complete video on this in next video. Okay, and at that time when you fill Shanghai Jiaotong University online application form, they also required that if you want to apply for Shanghai government scholarship, then upload the Shanghai government scholarship application form on this portal, on this portal, university portal. When you fill this form, then you upload this filled Shanghai government online application form, upload this form on this university portal. So how you fill this form, I will make a complete video in next video, inshallah. So these are the required documents. First you fill CSC online application form. If you want to apply for Shanghai government scholarship application form, you need to fill Shanghai government online application form. Okay, and highest degree, a notarized copy. And if you don't have a highest degree, then you need to provide hope certificate. And the next one is transcript of highest education. And the fourth one is personal statement and study plan, and 2 recommendation letters from professors or associate professor. One is from professor and another from associate professor. Passport photocopy, passport size photo, physical examination form, proof of language proficiency, acceptance letter. It's not mandatory, it's optional. But if you are from School of Life Science and Biotechnology, you must have acceptance letter from supervisor. No criminal certificate record. if you means police clearance certificate, it's mandatory. Okay, so you click here to get the official advertisement here, and if you want to get the faculty links, professor's email for Shanghai Jiaotong University, and click here to get the faculty email for acceptance letter. So hope so you get the point which you want to get. So how you fill CSC online application form, how you fill Shanghai Jiaotong University online application form, and how to fill Shanghai government scholarship application form, we will discuss in the next video, because if if I try to fill this form, then it's take too much time. So that's why I not fill this form. So good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video with another scholarship type and scholarship detail in next video. Good luck and safe. Stay home, stay safe.